Hello my friends, haven't seen you for a long time. I've been updating my uploading videos, but not this kind of face to face, quote unquote face to face kind of video. So today I'm going to share with you my new purchase. This is Vera Bradley's Vera Tote. This is in the material performance twill. Yeah, performance twill. Let me grab the tag. It's a okay. Right. Performance tool. I believe that's what it is. Okay, Vera Tote, and the pattern we have here is called Floating Plum Pansies. Okay, it's a beautiful black background, but purple flowers with some green, some blue color. Okay, Vera Tote. I've been thinking, considering of getting this for a very long time, for a month actually. The reason being, I don't know if you still remember this one. This is actually, I think, one of the very first Vera Bradley items that I purchased years back, at least 7 or 8 years back. I still remember the pattern is Priscilla. This is a Vera Tote. It's a traditional, quote unquote traditional, or I would say the original type of Vera Tote. And this one is the new design. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the difference between these two, because I do see the difference is actually quite significant if you are not aware, because this one I've been using it for, you know, as I say, quite a few years. It started getting old, and something made of cotton, you know, using for 7-8 years, I mean, naturally it will start to show wear and tear. So mainly is the strap. I think for most of the time, the first sign of wear and tears usually are coming from the straps. So the straps looks a little bit, you see the signs of it, and the color is also not as vibrant as before, but other than that, there's really no other problems with it. But I feel it's kind of about time for me to update, to get a new one. You know, the zipper is still really all great, in great shape. It's just getting a little bit tired, so I'm thinking about replacing this one. I would probably donate this to my local thrift shop, and somebody else can enjoy this for a while. I love using this. Whenever you can't find the bag to use, I always grab a Vera Tote. It's so spacious and with all these pockets, and another thing is the strap is just so comfortable. So let's start with the strap. The new design, performance twill. I believe I am right. Okay, whatever it is. Let's start with the strap. So the difference between the strap, the cotton one, and also the other one, this new one, the strap is narrower than the cotton one. The cotton one is a little bit wider, and I feel it's more padded, so it's really more comfortable. So that's one difference, is the strap. The new design is thinner. The strap is thinner, and the padding, I feel it's not as much. And another interesting thing is that for the strap, actually it's weird. I don't know if it's designed this way. I feel the strap, the width at the base, okay, the base over here, is thicker than the strap width at the top. I wonder if that's intentionally to be done that way, but that's what I observed. Okay, all right, the drop of the strap, let's see the drop of the strap. Oh, the new style, pretty much the same. So this drop this strap is a it's nice strap. It's nice drop because you know you can put it on easily, right? Take it off easily, and then enough space for you to open your purse this way to see what you have inside, right? So that's one difference. The other difference is really the new design is actually bigger, quite at least 2 inches wider than the old one. The old one is more like a square kind of shape, but the new one is more rectangular shape. So I prefer the size of this one. I think this is perfect size. This one gets a bit too wide. It looks a little bit clumsy. Okay, look a little bit clumsy, not as suitable for everyday use. And this one, see, you can tell the difference, right? This is more like acceptable for day-to-day use. This one just looks like a travel bag. I feel it's a bit too wide. Okay, now a lot of things are changed. A lot of things are different from the new and the old. Okay, performance twill. All right, just to be clear, performance twill. Okay, I love this material, by the way. Anyway, so this one is wider. Okay, and then the pockets position are also very different. The old one, traditional one, has one zip pocket, you know, at one side. Another pocket the other side. This one doesn't have a zip for the outside, and then the closing is a turgle something. It's a loop, right? You can use it to tie it. The new one, this one has actually a zipper at the top, and then pockets wise, nothing on this side, but you have a pocket at the top. Okay, this one's good enough for, I think, most phones. See, holds my hand, right? So it's a good size pocket. And then the front, you have a pocket, huge one. This one's huge. You can put, I think, can put iPad size of pocket. And then there's a zipper pocket in front of that. Also another huge pocket. Closure, again, I say it's a zipper closure. Then inside you have 6 pockets, just like the other one. And then instead of the removable cardboard like the old one has, I don't know if you can see, there's a removable cardboard. Like most of old style old Vera bag has this removable cardboard put inside, that when you need to wash your purse, you need to take out that cardboard, otherwise it's going to destroy the cardboard. As a base, most of the new Vera bags don't have that cardboard anymore. So, and I think they may have some kind of plastic stuff inside to be used as the base. Otherwise, the bottom part can be folded like that, so you can store your bag in this kind of way to save space. Okay, again, the material, performance twill, I love this material because it's a water repellent material. It's very, very durable, and it's also very lightweight, and I believe I can use this for more years than this one. I used this for 7 or 8 years. I think this could probably last forever. That's how I feel. It can last forever. So but I have to say, I'm a little bit I didn't expect this one would be that wide, and obviously with the wider purse, it's going to hold much more stuff, right? And with an added zipper and make it more, it's more secure that way. You know, people, I think a lot of time people love to have the option of having a zipper, right? But yeah, that's how I feel. These are the first impression kind of things I have someone been using Vera Tote for a very long time, did not expect the differences I see here, and I think I just have to use it after a while to provide you with the more with a better review in that sense. This video is really about my first impression and some rough comparison, basic comparison of the new style and the old style of Vera bag. So I hope this is helpful to you. I know it has been a long time since my last Vera Bradley videos. I love Vera Bradley items still. One of next time I'm gonna show you one of the purse that I use almost daily basis. So it is a Vera Bradley item. I will show you next time. You may be interesting to know what kind of bag I'm using right now, right? One of them still Vera Bradley. I love that one. That one is fantastic one. So let me know if you have any questions, anything that I hope this video is helpful to you, and anything that any questions, any comments, please leave down below, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.